Hey guys, this is Kirat and welcome back to yet another video. So a lot of you keep asking me in the comment section that please make a video on freelancing, how do we start, which website should we use and all of that. But the truth is that I have never done formal freelancing. I have worked for clients and companies in the past, but I never got them through these websites called Fiverr or freelancer.com and all. So I thought, you know what, maybe it's the time to dip my feet into this world of freelancing, and I went on to Fiverr to make an account. That's when I realized that it's not as easy as setting up an account on Instagram, Facebook, or even making a YouTube channel. Then I went on to Udemy looking for a course that will teach me how to get started on Fiverr, and I came across this wonderful course called How to Sell Like the Top 1% on Fiverr. It was pretty appealing, and I liked the instructor through the test videos. And I thought, you know what, I'll do this course and then I'll share my experience with you guys. That is it worth buying a course like this, or do these courses actually teach you something? Are they worth your time? So that's what this video is all about today. Let's get started. So right now I am setting up my own Fiverr profile and implementing all the knowledge that I gained through this course. So if you want me to make a video where I show you the results of me doing all this work, like if I got any clients, if I succeeded, if I failed and all of that, do let me know in the comment section below. If a lot of you guys want to see that video, I will definitely make it. So first of all, this course is around 2 hours long, which means you can easily complete it within one sitting, which is a very good thing. Most of the courses on Udemy are like 10 to 15 hours. Yes, they teach you in detail, but most of us just lose the motivation to complete those long courses. So this one is 2 hours long and it does go in depth on most topics, but yeah, it is a brief and short course for the most part. But most interestingly, I found out that it is a more of a psychology course rather than a freelancing or a tutorial type course. So what this course teaches you is how to influence buyers into believing that you are basically the right fit for them, or your services are the best for them. Like, it sounds bad that you are influencing someone into thinking that you are perfect for them, but yeah, this is how it works in the world of freelancing. Your writing skills matter a lot, and this course basically taught me quite a lot of new things that I never knew before, which I am definitely excited to implement in the future. So the first step of getting noticed on any social media platform or any website is SEO, and it basically means that your title, thumbnails, and the cover picture and everything should be good enough so that you appear high in the search results when someone searches for you. So yeah, this course goes in depth into the world of Fiverr SEO. It will teach you everything about the title, how to write a good description, how to use the cover images, should you use images, should you use videos. So in terms of that, this course will give you a lot of nice information. My favorite part of this course is that the instructor will teach you about a principle or a concept called AIDA, which is basically attention, interest, desire, and action. Now, these principle or this AIDA principle is a very important thing that I regret missing out on all these years, because as a YouTuber, I need to have nice writing skills for description, for tags and everything. But this AIDA principle will basically help you write a description that will, as I said, influence buyers or influence your future clients into thinking that you are the perfect fit for this job. So for example, if I'm writing to someone about a job, I will have a different writing format. If I'm writing to someone to seek their help, someone I've never met, there will be a different writing format. Just like that, if you want to sell your services or sell yourself as a freelancer, you need to have certain writing skills. And that's what learning this concept of AIDA will teach you, or ADA will teach you. And definitely this was my favorite part of the course. And then on Fiverr and most of the different freelancing websites, there is a concept called tiers, which basically allows you to price your products in levels. So there can be a basic package, there can be a premium package, and then there can be an advanced or a pro package. For example, you're an app developer, so the basic package could be just a simple splash screen or contact information app. Then the premium package could be an app with login systems or some authentication systems. And then the final package, the advanced package, could be something like an app with a database, or an app with different APIs. So all of that is tiers. You basically start from a certain amount and then you keep adding services to go to a higher amount. If I know how to edit videos, I should know that how to price them. If I tell someone I'll charge $5 for this work, when in reality that is worth like $50, then I am in a lot of loss. As I said, this is more of a psychology course rather than a tutorial or a freelancing course. It will basically help you optimize your gig or your profile so that the buyers or the clients will always look at the medium or the highest package, not the lowest one. So that's another good thing about this course. Now you can obviously go around the internet, read different blogs or watch different YouTube videos on how to sell on Fiverr, how to optimize your gig, but that information is scattered throughout, and I think that this course, for what it's worth, like 350 rupees, it provides a perfect value. So yeah, I enjoyed it. This was a small review or description of the course. In case you want to buy it, it's not sponsored. I won't get any money if you buy the course. I'll leave a link in the description. But yeah, as a lot of you wanted to get into freelancing, I think this is a nice place to start if you have no experience at all, like me. Keep one thing in mind, that you can do this course, or as I said, read hundreds of blogs, but remember that Fiverr is a very competitive website. So you need to have a plan B. You need to have a plan B website or your social media where you will promote your gigs or where you will promote your services. Because if you list, like I tried listing my services on Fiverr, and when I searched for them, they were appearing like in the third or fourth page. So you need to work a lot to get it to the first page, and let alone like the top one or two results. Because obviously, if think about yourself, if you want to buy an app, you won't buy from someone who has zero reviews, who has just started. Rather, you will look for someone who has a lot of reviews, has a lot of experience. So you need to figure out how will you get your orders by promoting your Fiverr links on different social media websites or different ways. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope all of you enjoyed it and got to learn something new. Let me know in the comment section if you are buying this course or some other course about freelancing. Or if you're already a freelancer, how has your experience been like? Where do you sell? What do you sell? So yeah, let me know in the comment section. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe the channel. Follow me on Instagram @Kirat Alreja, same name as my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next video.